Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Fine Filter. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Fine Filter. The Fine Filter filters the water as it goes through the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the water's not getting filtered and the system's getting clogged up and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can reach in and pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can lift it off the door and set it aside. Now that we have the lower dish rack out, you can take out the lower spray arm. It's held down by a couple locking tabs. All you have to do is pull up on it to release it. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now we can take off the spray arm support and the glass filter at the same time. We're just going to turn this support up to 12 o'clock. Then we can lift both pieces out together and set them aside. Then we can reach in and pull the fine filter out. We're going to have to lift out this whole metal filter and pull it out of the dishwasher. We put a towel down so we don't scratch the countertop while we work on the assembly. If you have the old two-piece filter like ours, you have to take off the lower part. So we're going to get underneath it with a small flathead screwdriver and pop it free. If you already have the new style filter, all you have to do is lift it out. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. And then we can separate the fine filter from the metal filter. All you have to do is lift it out. Once you have it off, you can separate the two pieces. Here's the old fine filter next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it and made it all one piece, but it'll go in and work just fine. To put the new fine filter in, you just want to set it into the metal filter. And you want to make sure you line up this portion of the fine filter so it goes down into the sump. Once you have it lined up, we can set it into place. Then we can put the wash arm support and the glass filter back in. All you have to do is line this up so these holes right here go up to 12 o'clock. You can turn it so it goes over to 9 o'clock and locks in. Then we can snap the spray arm back on. All you have to do is line the spray arm up with the support and push it down so it locks on. Once you have it on there, it should spin freely. And then we can put the lower rack back in. To put the lower rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back in. Once you have it in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.